Hello, and thank you for tuning in to today's MacDesk Floor Report. It is Thursday, July 26th. I'm Rebecca Darst from the Market Access Center here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And how do you like a 206-point gain in the Dow? We can thank Europe for that. This morning, ECB President Mario Draghi, in a speech before investors in London, said in blank terms that the bank is ready to do whatever it takes to preserve the euro. Believe me, it will be enough. It was a soundbite heard round the world. In fact, it was a short squeeze heard round the world. Almost immediately, the euro-dollar currency cross, which was hanging barely above the 52-week low from a couple of days ago, right around the 120 level, shot higher as the quote circulated at 6 a.m., breaking as high as 123.30. Now, market skeptics have pointed out that it may not have been entirely accidental that Draghi's remarks came out on the very day that German President Angela Merkel started her 3-week-long summer vacation. Gotta love those European vacations. In any case, we've backed a little off the intraday highs in the euro-dollar cross, but we're still sharply higher in the Dow. And remember, we've still got speculation percolating that there may be some additional Fed action in the coming days. All 9 Dow sectors are trading more than 1% higher at present, and broad equity volumes are hanging in there. Weekly initial jobless claims came in at 353,000 this morning, which was better than the market was expecting, and continuing claims fell modestly as well. Durable goods orders for June increased by 1.6%. The market was looking for a flat to slightly higher read, but ex-transportation, there was a decline of 1.1%, again against a flat expectation from the market. Now the VIX is down 6% at 1813 intraday, but bear in mind that tomorrow we are looking at a big data point in the form of Q2 GDP. In advance of that number, we're seeing option traders dabbling in the SPY weeklies. Remember, that has been a very popular trading vehicle for short-term volatile moves on the U.S. data calendar. SPY is trading higher on the broad market rally at 135.80. Opening buyers have been targeting the 136 puts. That's the at-the-money put in SPY that goes off the board at the end of the day tomorrow. And looks like some other traders have been taking positions off the table in the at-the-money weekly call. Street consensus is projecting Q2 GDP at 1.4% against a prior reading of 1.9%. That's the Bloomberg number. We'll be watching that number out at 8:30 tomorrow. And as we mentioned in the midday, there's been some heavy customer buying activity in October puts of the XLF. That's the large cap financials ETF, trading at 1446 right now. Block size buyers have been active in puts 10% out of the money. That's further evidence of a fair amount of skepticism coming out of the options market, despite a buoyant performance for stocks. Promises to be a real barn burner tomorrow, so we'll be following the action as it happens. For now, that's it from me, Rebecca Darst, for the MacDesk Floor Report.